Hi, my name is Mihaela, and today we'll be exploring a web responsive application that goes by the name Vela. Vela is a weather application designed to benefit the surf enthusiast while making their experience as smooth and intuitive as possible. So let's get started. All we have to do to initiate our journey is to click on the Get Started button. Next, we could choose to go through an onboarding process or skip the process and go straight to the login screen. Since we are new users, I'll say let's just quickly see the three onboarding screens. We have the weather and sea conditions, the radar, and the spots. The login button here brings us to the login screen. Here, we can log in as previous user with our email and password or with our Facebook. And if we don't have an account, we can simply create one here. If we have forgotten our password, don't worry about that because all you have to do is click here and get a new one. For now, let's just sign in as a previous user. We are now on the home page, which is already filled with some basic weather conditions like the current temperature, the sunrise, sunset, precipitation, wind, and waves. But we would like to see more than just that. So we have a lot of options on the page, but let's just check first the hamburger menu. Here we can see the weather news, the spots, the weather and sea conditions, account, about us, or help. What I like to show you here is the spots. On this page, we can see our recommended surf spots. So these are surf spots recommended by our application. And also, we have a list of our favorite spots. Let's say we would like to check Nazaré in Portugal. And we would like to see what the other surfers think about the spot. So let's go to spot reviews. We can filter the reviews according to ranking, reviewer, date, or language. Let's say we would like to see them according to the ranking. And we would like to see only those 4-star reviews. So let's check those. On this page now, we can only see the 4-star reviews. But let's go back to the home page because I'd like to show you a very interesting feature, which is Plan Your Trip. Here, you can find very easily the spots that fit you the most. Especially if you're in a hurry, this is the right spot for you. You just have to fill in with the place you would like to go, with the dates, with the sport you want to practice, and with your proficiency level. These are here already checked, so you would like to go in Australia between 17th of July and 23rd of July. You want to practice surf and you are advanced. So let's get our spots. As you can see, the page already filtered the right spots for you. Let's check the Bell speech details. Here we get to this page where we can check these options. But now we are interested in an overview of Bell speech. Here we can see some spot details like the wave quality, the type of wave. We can see a general description, we can see pictures, we can see a map, and even a chart. The last feature I would like to show you is the radar feature. Here, we are already on the radar page, and if we click on the drop-down button, we can customize our radar to only show the information we require in that moment. For instance, we would like to see the Nazaré region and we are interested in the temperature and the wind direction. So if we check these, we get this page only with the information we previously checked. Now all we have to do is to enjoy the information, and if we think of something else we'd like to search, we can easily return to the home screen and start a new search. This was Vela, our weather app. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.